In preparation, Samsung is reportedly finalizing its launch strategy for the new flagship lineup and other devices this week. Leaked images of the Galaxy S25 Plus, intended for the US market, have surfaced online, offering a glimpse of one of the upcoming models. A notable detail in the images is on the right bezel, where the power and volume buttons are typically located. What initially appears to be another button might actually be a dedicated mmWave antenna. This addition aligns with the growing adoption of mmWave technology by carriers worldwide, many of whom rely on Samsung's network equipment for enabling this feature. Samsung appears to be doubling down on this capability with its latest flagship devices. Samsung Galaxy S25 series design and features leaked ahead of launch. With the Galaxy S25's launch just a month away, details about Samsung's upcoming flagship lineup have surfaced. Leaks reveal the design, stock wallpapers, and color options for the high-end models. Renowned leakster Evan Blass at Eve Leaks has shared images of the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with the official names of all color variants in the Galaxy S25 series. Based on the leaked renders, the Galaxy S25 Plus retains its rounded corners and slim bezels, much like its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Plus. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a departure from the Galaxy S24 Ultra's sharp-cornered design, featuring slightly rounded corners instead. This design tweak on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to enhance comfort and usability. The renders also provide a glimpse of the series' stock wallpapers, highlighting Samsung's sleek aesthetic. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is here to snatch crowns and leave competitors in the dust. If you thought Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra had slim bezels, think again. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is breaking all the rules, and leaked photos and videos are giving us a glimpse of a phone that looks like it's straight out of the future. Slimmer, sleeker, and seriously stunning. This device is stealing the spotlight from every flagship out there. And hold up, here's the real tea. At Universe Ice, a trusted name in leaks, just dropped a bomb on X, formerly Twitter. According to him, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's narrow bezel exceeds all current mobile phones, including the Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's right, Samsung isn't just catching up, it's sprinting ahead. But the design story doesn't end there. Let's talk colors, because Samsung is serving luxury this time around. Blue, a dreamy light blue back with a silver frame that whispers elegance. Black, sleek black on the back, paired with a shiny silver frame for that classic look. White, minimalist vibes with a white back and light silver edges. Gray, a sophisticated gray with a hint of gold that screams premium. While most leaks have focused on the Ultra variant, the base Galaxy S25 has also seen its fair share of pre-release attention. Battery. Similar to the Galaxy S24, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to feature a 5,000 mAh battery. Cameras. The base model may include a 50-megapixel primary camera and retain the 12-megapixel selfie camera from the Galaxy S23 and S24. Design. While the Galaxy S25 is expected to look quite similar to the S24, it might introduce a unique camera ring design. Reports suggest the rings could feature a lip and be thinner than those on the Ultra model, measuring just 1.8 millimeters. Processor. The Galaxy S25 may feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC. The finalized list of colors for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced, including standard and online exclusive options ranked by production volume. Standard colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra: titanium black, titanium silver blue, titanium gray, titanium white silver. Online exclusive colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra: titanium jet black, titanium jade green, titanium pink gold. According to DSCC Ross, production volumes follow this order, with titanium black being the most produced and titanium pink gold having the lowest availability. Samsung's Galaxy S flagships are known for setting high standards each year. However, recent details from Finland suggest the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch in early 2025, may fall short in one particular aspect. The information comes from Finnish mobile carrier Suomi Mobili, which revealed the memory and storage configurations for the Galaxy S25 lineup. The Galaxy S25 will offer 128 GB or 256 GB storage options. The S25 Plus will include 256 GB or 512 GB, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB options. Samsung's next-level flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is just around the corner. With the unpacked announcement event looming, leaks and details about the 2025 powerhouse are flooding in, and trust us, this one's set to blow minds. Let's talk specs. The S25 Ultra is armed with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 4 processor, which promises to deliver insane performance. Add to that, but wait, it's not just about power. Samsung is upping its style game too. Among the four conventional colors, one stands out: titanium white silver, a stunner with a white back and sleek silver frame. Samsung gears up for the Galaxy S25 Ultra launch with 200 megapixel sensor, details revealed. The listing showcased key details of the 200 megapixel sensor, specifically for the US carrier variant. It highlighted specifications such as focal length, aperture, resolution, and more. Lens specifications: 23.2 millimeters, 35 millimeters equivalent, provides a balanced perspective with standard focal length. 6.3 millimeters actual indicates the lens's physical focal length. So 1.7 aperture ensures superior low light performance and depth of field control. EIS, electronic image stabilization, delivers stable video recording and minimizes photo blur. Field of view, 75.7 degrees horizontal effectively captures wide scenes. 60.5 degrees vertical complements horizontal FOV for balanced framing. Sensor capabilities. Sensor area, 71.9 millimeters, optimizing light capture for enhanced image quality. Pixel pitch size, 2.4 millimeters, enabling better detail and noise reduction. Image output features: maximum resolution, 4080x3060px, outputting 12.5 megapixel images through 16:1 pixel binning. Picture format supports both JPEG and DNG, RAW for versatility. Focusing options. Auto manual focus offers precision and flexibility. Infinity focus, ideal for distant landscape photography. Minimum focusing distance, 0.10 meters, suitable for close-up shots. Hyperfocal distance, 4.86 meters, providing sharp focus across various depths. Exposure and ISO range. Manual exposure spans from 1/11/977 to 1/6 seconds, covering ultra-fast, moderately slow shutter speeds. ISO range, 12 to 3200, catering to diverse lighting conditions. Maximum analog ISO, 1500, balancing high sensitivity with detail retention. The primary camera of the Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 23.2 millimeters equivalent focal length and NSAF 1.7 aperture. By default, the sensor captures 12.5 megapixel images with a resolution of 4080x3060px. The sensor's area, listed at 71.9 millimeter squares, promises excellent light gathering capacity. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been revealed in new dummy images, showcasing its design as a true masterpiece. These dummy units, originating from China, are already on sale, with striking images shared by Roland Quant. The Galaxy S25 Ultra appears in silver and black, with additional standard and exclusive colors expected at launch. Titanium blue is rumored to be the flagship's signature color. Staying true to Samsung's signature design, the biggest change in the S25 Ultra is its frame, with slightly rounded corners replacing the sharp edges, giving it a more boxy appearance. The device is slightly taller and narrower than its predecessor, with the display expected to measure 6.86 inches. This small increase in size brings significant improvements in handling and usability. The right side of the frame will feature 3 buttons, 2 for volume control and 1 multifunctional key. These buttons will match the color of the S25 Ultra's titanium frame, which offers a lightweight yet durable construction. On the rear, the camera setup includes 3 large rings and 2 smaller ones, housing 4 image sensors and a TOF lens. The rings adopt a circular texture design similar to the Galaxy Fold 6, with the outer ring likely maintaining its attractive look. An LED flash sits between the 2 smaller sensors, enhancing low-light photography. All camera rings are arranged vertically in the top left corner of the rear panel.